based on training evaluation is done, is conducted, is okay. That's okay. A refresher training is imparted based on the training requirement and on expiry of the training time. Yes, correct, because you have shown the date. And the training passports are, you have training passport for you.
That is the HSE passport. Yeah, HSE passport means training HSE passport. Two passport is there. Now, Adnan give the one passport is there. One site election and site invalid training passport is there. Oh, that's a confusion.
Okay, so now for this document you have HSE construction HSE plan and project competency assurance. This is okay because this is as per you only.
Sir,
And
construction HSE plan, project competency assurance and training package, all are in the same document or
in one document only.
No, competency assurance we have separate.
HSE critical rules.
Critical role competency assurance. There is a separate.
Then in construction HSE plan, you should have a separate document number, or else you remove the first line. Already you have mentioned it in the second line. Construction HSE plan, you remove it.
Oh,
Project
okay.
HSE competency assurance
And training plan.
training plan, HSE critical roles matrix. Whether all are same or HSE critical competency plan. I show that one.
Hey, can you show the document? Can you show the document? This we have taken, so this is okay. And critical roles and competency it is here. Arun, you have already mentioned here. Critical roles and competency management.
Then the key project HSE competency assurance and training plan you can retain it.
Yeah.
It is training plan.
Can you show so that we can see?
Which plans are you got?
This one.
It is competency assurance and training plan.
And if you have the document number, oh, this is only one document.